This manifestation exercise will be used for healing. It can also be used to help bring anything else into your life. The healing can be for something physical in the body or for some psychological issue. We will begin with some relaxation. Sitting comfortably with your eyes closed, take a few deep breaths. And with the next breath, let's tense the muscles of the legs. And as you breathe out, release the tension in the legs. With the next breath, you tense the muscles of the stomach. And then with the next breath, just release the tension. Then breathe into the arms, make fists of the hands. Breathe out and relax. Breathe in and squeeze the shoulder blades together. Breathe out and relax. Lastly, check that your neck and head is relaxed. You can turn your head around if that helps. Surrounding you now and always is the presence of spirit, a totally loving and wise energy that knows everything about you, that has absolutely no judgment of you, and seeks to help you in this exercise. So just go within and silently offer a prayer of welcome. I'm open to spirit, whatever word you want to use, Jesus, God, Goddess, to be with me in this exercise. Now take a moment to think of some either physical or psychological issue that you'd like healed. It could be something wrong in your body, it can be an unforgiveness of another person, or an unforgiveness of yourself, something you dislike about yourself. And then for a moment, just imagine that you no longer have it. That physical pain has gone. That psychological pain of anger against another, or sadness or self-pity of yourself, it's free, it's gone. This is the future you that you want. Be as precise as you can about this. Maybe if it's someone you don't like, you see them, you just feel peaceful when you see them, you smile. The pain in the body is gone when you bend. The low opinion of yourself is gone, you just smile at it now. Now imagine a great sphere above you. You can imagine the whole universe above, below you, around you. You're right in the middle of it. In front of you, perhaps 3, 4, 5 meters away, feel or imagine that future you standing there, sitting there, smiling at you, because that person's free. No physical pain, no psychological pain. They're happy, they're smiling. They've let it all go. And connecting your solar plexus to the other solar plexus, there's a cord. Solar plexus is located in the pit of your stomach. And there's a cord, like an umbilical cord, linking you to the future you. And we're going to energize this picture. Coming down from the outside of this great sphere, light starts to pour into you, into your solar plexus. And it ripples along that cord into the future you, which lights up, is animated. That smiling, peaceful, pain-free you is in front of you. Just allow that energy to come down from this great sphere, the sphere of all possibilities, into your solar plexus, the pit of your stomach, ripping along into the future you that lights up. That future you might start to talk to you. I tell you, you don't need what you're carrying. It's your decision to let it go. Just listen if it has anything to say to you. It's telling you it's your time to be free now. You've kept that pain for a reason. It serves you in some way. But look at me. I'm happy without it. See if you can feel into that future you that's let the pain go, let the forgiveness happen. Ask yourself, do I want to be that future me? Is it time to be free now? That future you is just smiling at you with compassion and saying, it's your choice. Do you want to be me? You can. Let it all go. You have great creativity, it's saying to you. You can change in an instant if you really want it. To make it even more powerful, you could add a sense of appreciation to what is going on now. You're being fed by love and energy from the universe through the sphere. That future you loves you. You can sense an appreciation for this experience, and that will magnify its power. Ask yourself again, is it time to be free now? Do I want to be that future self? It's your choice. And the light continues to pour into you along that line, ready to free you of physical pain and psychological pain. It will follow your command. If you've borne a grudge against someone, can you let it go now and be healed? You say to your body, I don't need this pain anymore. Look, I've got my future self. I've made the pain, I let it go now. I just leave you with it for a minute or two. When you feel complete with this exercise, bring yourself back to the room and open your eyes.